Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Siti Saidan Delemi. I'm from class 44.1F. And now, I want to explain a little about present perfect tense. Definition of present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is a tense as in present to indicate the action that has taken place at some specific time. It has auxiliary verb and past participle from the main verb a verb plus a. We ask the present perfect to indicate a link between the present and the past. In other words, the time of the action is before now, not started. In fact, most of the time, the result interests us more than the action itself. This tense formed by have or has plus the past participle, whose you will see that the construction of the verb's tense is straightforward. Have or has is the first element which depends on the subject plus verb is conjunction with similarity. The second element in the past partition of the verb. It's formed generally by adding at or to the roots of the verbs. Next, present perfect sentence for describing. We ask present perfect tense to describe 1. An action on situation which began in the past and is continuing to the present. I have lived in Mumbai since 1997. It means you are still living in Mumbai. 2. An action performed during a period that has not finished yet. He has been to the zoo to reach this month. It means the month is not over yet. 3. The repeat action in an unspecific period between the past and present. They have visited London multiple times. 4. An action that was complete in the very recent past just is used to express we have just complete or achievement. 5. An action when the time does not carry much importance. She has read Harry Potter. The result of her reading carries importance. Example in perfect tense. Unspecific time before now. We make use of the present perfect tense to say that an action took place at an unspecific time before now. Thus, the exact time is not of the much importance. Do not ask the present perfect with particular time expression like yesterday, 2 years ago, last month, when I was a kid, when I left in Gujarat, at that moment, that's day, one day, ECT. You can ask the present perfect with unspecific expression like ever, once, several times, never already, many times so far, yet, and more. Example: we have seen that video 10 times. Or I think I have met her once before. Example of present perfect tense experience. We can make use of the present perfect for describing our experience. For instance, I have the experience of blah blah blah. Similarly, this tense can also be asked to say that you have never had a particular experience. We do not ask the present perfect for describing particular event. Have been to New York. Have never been to New York. I have been to New York 5 times. Example of present perfect tense change over time. Present perfect is also used to denote the change that has occurred over a certain period of time. Example: you have grown since the last time I saw you. The school has become more interested in extracurricular activity. 3. My Telugu has significantly improved since I moved to Telangana. Example of present perfect tense achievement. The use of the present perfect is also done to list the achievement of people and humanity, but you can mention a particular time. Example: 1. Man has walked on the moon. 2. Scientists have split the atom. Or doctor has learned how to dance. Next, example of present perfect tense uncompleted action you are expecting. We ask the present perfect to tell about an action which we are expecting but has not happened yet. Using the present perfect will suggest that you are still waiting for the action to occur. Example: number 1. Ruhul has not completed his project yet. 2. Priya hasn't mastered Bengali, but she can communicate. 3. Peta has still not reached her. And then last example. Example of present perfect tense multiple action at different times. The present perfect tense is also asked to talk about multiple different actions that have happened in the past of different times. I suggest a process is not complete and there is a possibility or more action. Example: number 1. The army has attacked at neighboring country 2 times. 2. We have had 2 competition and 5 events so far this year. 3. I have had a lot of problem will teaching junior class. Okay, finish. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi San, what are you up to?
Hi, just having some coffee with us.
I want to explore the direction to Margo City Mall. I new to Depok.
Oh, Margo City Mall. From here you can take an angkot or 40-minute train or walk. If you take an angkot, take number 112. The mall will be on the left side, right after the Media Depot. If you walk, it's a bit far, around 5 minutes from here, about 1 kilometer.
Oh, okay San. The building is big, right?
That's right, it's a building so you won't miss it. By the way, what do you need at Margo City?
I want to shop for some personal needs.
Oh, okay. By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Bogor, where I'm staying in a boarding house near the campus.
Oh, I see. Do you want some coffee too?
Sure, I like a cappuccino.
Alright, I'll order it for you.
Okay, thank you, Sam.
You're welcome.